Good evening, everyone. It's wonderful to see all of you here on a weekend, actually, and so much of traffic and other things, which is typically what we talk about in Bangalore. 2011, not too far back, was when eVidyaloka commenced its journey, and the granddad gave us our name. When I look back and I see, okay, couple of things that happened, the first few schools which worked partially, didn't work, but we learned from the model. We started realizing that there were mistakes that we were making, and the journey was more iterative. I think that's how eVidyaloka was really took shape, and we were able to perfect the model over the next 3-4 years. Most importantly, 2015, I still remember Jharkhand. Venkat and I had actually visited Jharkhand. It was an amazing journey for me personally. It was my first visit to Jharkhand, and we were stopped by some of our friends in the forests who said, okay, what are you doing here? Why are you here? And we talked to them stating that we are here to teach children in schools. We have our digital classroom. So they said, okay. And later on, we realized that they were Naxals. And we thanked our stars that we didn't know it when we actually met them. But this was an amazing journey for us. It's taken us from there, where we were 4 or 5 schools, to today touching 19,000 plus children across 233 villages. The first 8 years of working, we had delivered about 1 million child learning hours. The 9th year, which is this year, we have delivered a full 1 million child learning hours, which is equivalent of all the 8 years that we have done. More than anything else, each one of us over here believe that this journey has actually made us better human beings. And I think that's the passion which brings all of us together. Every Saturday when we catch up with, when we are in the meeting, the board of trustees, when we all meet together every Saturday, without fail, we meet up every Saturday. It's this fire inside which keeps burning, which says that there is a difference that these children are making to us in our lives. And we are in some way, hopefully, creating a new India altogether. Last year, we hired our CEO, Brinda. Brinda was the vice president at Capgemini. And I've known Brinda for 20 years now, Brinda. Yeah, 20 years. And Brinda is someone who's, bundle of energy. She's all over the place, and she's doing things consistently, continuously thinking what I should do next. And there was a phase that she was going through last year, and she said, hey, Ravi, I'm going to check up my job, and I'm going to Uttaranchal to teach. And she was there for 3 months. And I asked her, okay, what are you going to do after 3 months? Because typical Brinda, I knew she would have planned 1 year ahead, forget 3 months. She said, I don't know. And we spoke a week before she came back, correct, from Uttaranchal. So I said, hey, you're back next week, correct? And she said, yeah. So what are you going to do? I don't know. So I said, okay, this is not the Brinda I know. And I said, okay, this is the Brinda we should hire. So when she came in and came back to Bangalore, I told her, hey, why don't you come and work for eVidyaloka? You can make a huge difference. And she said yes. And for me, it was a combination, combo of Saraswati and Lakshmi coming together. So it's an absolute combo for this thing. It was a brilliant one. And I think I told her that as well. It was an amazing combination coming through to us. And I think this is what makes a difference for us as a gesture, and we believe that each one of you is making that difference to eVidyaloka and to all the children and to this India this new aspiring India, which will be one of the best countries in the world. And I think that eVidya Loka is evolving continuously. Last year it was just not about 1 million child learning hours, but also significant recognition from industry. We won over 5 or 6 awards just on the grassroots impact that we are making to society. And I think that is most important, the impact that we can create to this society. And that is slowly evolving from an NGO into a movement. And I think eVidya Loka will be more a movement as we see the years go by. But this movement is not possible by one organization. This movement is not possible by just few of us. This movement needs all of us as citizens to come together and lift each other up. And I think that's what this room and each one of you is doing. So as a board, we want to thank all of you for being part of this movement and making this a reality. I'll request the board members to stand up and give all our patrons here a huge round of applause. Thank you so much.